Welcome to Municipal Junior College of Science, Achalpur Camp, an excellent, different, and unique institute of its kind at junior college level, managed by Achalpur Municipal Council. Located at the heart of the city on Achalpur Betul Highway, we provide an excellent educational environment to our students, making them capable of achieving all the present expectations and needs of pre-university education. Since its inception in 1989, it becomes the leading college in the city with consistent performance through 30 years. Now, it is the most preferred junior college among the students of the city who are inspired to realize their high academic dreams and ambitions in science stream within their financial affordability. Municipal Junior College provides quality education with guidance for the success in the competitive examinations like JEE, NEET, MHCET for an assured success. Many municipal junior college students have recorded excellent achievements in competitive examinations every year. The campus of the college is a complete and safe arena to its students with fully furnished science laboratories, learning-friendly classrooms, and high CCTV cameras surveillance. It is extremely important for junior colleges to have the latest and great quality science labs. In Municipal Junior College, there are specially furnished science laboratories with quality lab equipments. They are separately designed for different subjects. Science differs quite a bit from other subjects, and in order to understand its concepts, you will need to look beyond the books and the conventional classroom teaching. Effective learning and teaching of science involves handling, seeing, and manipulating real materials and objects. It is observed that pupils in the classroom would be ineffectual unless they actually observe the process and also understand the relationship between action and reaction. It is also believed that laboratory teaching and experiments that are conducted there will help encourage a deeper understanding in students. Students are able to retain knowledge for much longer when they see the experiments being performed in front of them. Research shows that effective teachers are the most important factor contributing to students' achievement. Although curricula, family, and community involvement also contribute to students' achievement, but the most influential factor is the teacher that determines student success. Highly qualified teachers are more likely to expand students' desires to learn and succeed. Municipal Junior College's highly qualified, experienced, and dedicated teaching faculty is concerned with the development of their students, and they profoundly struggle how to keep students learning. They cultivate among students curiosity and interest in learning. Keeping in mind the requirements of the today's competitive world, we at Municipal Junior College try to develop students' all-round personality. For this purpose, we organize different programs which mold the personality of the student as per the market expectations. Public speaking is said to be the biggest fear among the students, which is so important that it could be the deciding factor in many things for students, such as in their career development. So also for students, positive and effective personality helps to manage things very well, which is very crucial for students. Similarly, communication is the backbone of students' professional life. Communication skill help them to listen, understand the point of view of the teacher in the class. Many students face communication problems. That's why learning and improved communication help them to build a career in their respective fields. As we also know that our body can change our mind, then our behavior, and ultimately the results. Body language is another means of communication which students need to learn. So keeping in mind the needs of the time, we organize such programs which help our students to be a perfect professional in their future life. Nature is God's most beautiful creation. It facilitates the growth, development, and nourishment of all its creatures. Plantation is the best way to save environment. A tree plantation drive was organized in our college for class 11th and 12th science students. The campaign's main aim was to direct students' mind in constructive activities with the positive outcome through the facilitation of contributing to the society. This college tree planting project connect students to the benefits of trees, and which is a great way to increase student interest in their local environment and achieve academic goals. Such activities at Municipal Junior College help students to understand their social responsibilities as well. Any form of guidance and counseling is an important educational tool in shaping the personality and basic orientation of the student. In today's competitive world, it has really become difficult to select the right kind of career which not only suits the students' skill sets but also allows them to excel in their profile. In all such circumstances, the role of career guidance is very important. Municipal Junior College provides a platform to the students and their parents through career guidance and counseling sessions to select the right future path. Career guidance helps students to select the right kind of job-oriented courses which will help them to take their career in the right direction. Students of Municipal Junior College participates in various social activities like mass tree plantation, city cleanliness campaign, go for vote campaign, polythene eradication campaign, and so many others to improve their social awareness, which is a crucial element of a student's education. It enables students to consider the perspective of other people and understand their needs. Social awareness helps students in improving their social skills by interacting with people from diverse backgrounds. The educational mission of Municipal Junior College is to develop the whole student. Students' involvement in these activities is not only for entertainment and enjoyment purpose but most important to gain and improve social life skills. Social life skills learning improves students' positive behavior and reduces negative behavior. Eminent personalities from various fields visits Municipal Junior College regularly to guide, motivate and inspire to our college students in their future. Motivation is that key which can open up lost souls. Whenever you feel down, then motivation is something which can pull you upwards by igniting your heart with rays of hope. It is an essential part of our lives. Motivation plays a key role in whether we become successful in life or not, whether we reach our goals or not. For students, motivation is essential to be able to catch up with everyday lessons and learning. When students are inspired, excited, getting more than expected results from something, they get motivated. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has said, "You have to fight the hardest battle until you arrive at your destined place." Visiting to recognized colleges, campuses, universities, institutions and educational tours are also the main part of our college students' learning program. Competitions play a key role in motivating students to perform and excel and offer a lot more reward than just winning the prize. Competitions also encourage students to adopt innovative techniques and develop their ideas and skills. Our college students Reinventor team has participated this year at a national robotics competition at Government Engineering College, Chandrapur. These students not only got a vital experience in robotics making and operating but also won the first prize of line follow robotics event. After winning the competition, in between engineering students participating from all over the nation, they not only get inspired but also confident to attend such competitions in future. Also, one of our college student has attended a national student parliament at Nagpur this year. So we are giving full opportunities to our student to explore their talent to the world. Municipal Junior College has a name and fame in sports, so it encourages and motivates students to participate in different sports like cricket, volleyball, badminton, kabaddi, kho-kho, etc. as per their interest and caliber and show their talent as a sports person. Students who play sports in high school may want to continue these activities in college. For them, Municipal Junior College is the best place. Participation in sports and other physical activities can have many benefits for college students which depend on their interest. The two most important days for every Indian is the Independence Day celebrated on the 15th August and the Republic Day celebrated on the 26th January. All college students participate in these events with joy and pride and celebrate it with other nationals. On 26th January, students participate in different cultural events as well. Municipal Junior College organized farewell function for 12th class students. After completing 2 years in the college, now 12th class students have to say goodbye to the college, teachers, friends and juniors. The function was arranged by the juniors for their seniors, which includes games, dance, music, drama. In order to rewind their 2 years unforgettable college journey, 11th class students has created a short film. The motivating speeches of the principal and the chief guest of the program inspired the students. Municipal Junior College organizes 3 days annual function that includes various events wherein students are given chance to think, step forward and showcase their talent. These includes dramas, dances, singing, inter-college debate competition, traditional day, arts and craft and a lot more. It is also an occasion of celebration and felicitation when students present not only their wonderful performances but also receive honors for their curricular and co-curricular achievements. In order to nurture sportsmanship in students, gathering sports are also organized. It includes cricket, volleyball, solo cycling, kabaddi, PUBG online gaming and several other fun games. Presence of eminent personalities makes the function unforgettable for students and their motivational speeches guide the students in their future. All these things makes the Municipal Junior College unique, different, unbeatable and fully student oriented in the city. So be a part of our college for excellence in education and all round development.